3, 2, 1.
Which food is known as poutine in Quebec, Canada? The answer is C. Cheesy fries. What does the verb hew mean? The answer is B. To cut. Where does the giant cowbird, a passerine bird found in South America, lay its eggs? The answer is A. In other birds' nests. Which game features the character Geralt of Rivia and the world of The Witcher? The answer is C. The Witcher Roman 3. Which invention made mass production possible? The answer is A. The assembly line. Because dizygotic twins develop from 2 eggs fertilized by 2 sperm, they are no more identical than siblings born at what? The answer is B. Different times. Who was the first mayor of Tel Aviv? The answer is C. Mayor Dizengoff. Who was the first American woman to run a print shop? The answer is D. Anne Catherine Hoofgreen. What language is Afrikaans closely related to? The answer is C. Dutch. What is a coat for very cold weather called? The answer is A. Parka. What is the shape of the thyroid gland? The answer is B. Butterfly-shaped. Which vegetable is often served raw in salads? The answer is C. Cucumber. What does the term gigabyte represent in terms of digital storage? The answer is A. 230 bytes. Spindle fibers form between the centrioles during prophase I of what process? The answer is B. Meiosis. Dissolved oxygen in seawater is critical for sea creatures, but as the oceans warm, oxygen becomes less what? The answer is C. Soluble. A riverbank is made of what? The answer is C. Loam. The pyramids of Giza are located in which country? The answer is A. Egypt. Some leaves are attached to the plant stem by a petiole. Leaves that do not have a petiole and are directly attached to the plant stem are called this. The answer is B. Sessile leaves. Which mountain range is known as the backbone of America? The answer is A. Rockies. According to a theory, palm readers should explore only the left hand of people. Which of the following people? The answer is B. Women. What is the traditional Scottish kilt called? The answer is A. Plaid. What legendary Hollywood actress portrayed Queen Cleopatra in the 1963 movie Cleopatra, one of the most expensive movies in history? The answer is D. Elizabeth Taylor. Which furniture piece is traditionally used for sleeping in bed and breakfasts? The answer is C. Bed. Which element has the highest atomic mass among the halogens? The answer is D. Iodine. Which vegetable has spud in its name? The answer is A. Potato. What is the wind direction in North America typically called when it comes from the northwest? The answer is A. Northeaster. The two members of a given pair of chromosomes are called what? The answer is D. Homologous chromosomes. Where can you find the story of Adam and Eve? The answer is C. Book of Genesis. What is the name of the dinosaur in Jurassic Park that causes trouble? The answer is B. Velociraptor. What happens to the crust if the moving oceanic crust reaches a deep sea trench? The answer is B. Sinks into mantle. Which U.S. president was fined $20 for speeding with his horse and carriage? The answer is D. Ulysses Grant. This comedian calls himself an executive transvestite whilst asking the question cake or death. The answer is D. Eddie Izzard. Which 1999 movie is this audio clip from? The answer is B. The Matrix. Who was the first female Prime Minister of India? The answer is A. Indira Gandhi. The carrion flower smells like rotting meat. What kind of pollinator is most likely attracted to the carrion flower? The answer is D. Fly. Females are not influenced by the male sex hormone testosterone during embryonic development because they lack what? The answer is B. Y chromosome. I'm a world-renowned physicist, known for my theory of relativity. Who am I? The answer is A. Einstein. How do harsh winters benefit some species, such as deer? The answer is D. By reducing the herd population. Which statement about the emu and the kangaroo is not true? The answer is B. Both are indigenous only to Australia. Who voices Penny Proud in the animated TV series The Proud Family? The answer is D. Kyla Pratt. Which word means a group of whales or seals? The answer is C. Pod. Timber, medicines, dyes, oils, and rubber are just some of the useful products humans derive from what? The answer is C. Plants. Nakhichevan is a landlocked exclave bordered by Armenia, Iran, and Turkey. What nation is it a part of? The answer is B. Azerbaijan. Who played James Bond for the most films? The answer is A. Sean Connery. What stringed instrument has 4 double strings and is associated with classical music? The answer is B. Guitar. Which philosophy emphasizes the importance of individualism and self-reliance? The answer is C. Stoicism. Which fruit is rich in vitamin C but has no vitamin A? The answer is A. Orange. Which style of shoe features a raised platform sole and heel? The answer is C. Wedges. The International Space Station is a joint project of 5 space agencies, including NASA. Which space agency is not part of the project? The answer is A. China National Space Administration. Which set of conditions will produce an electric current in a closed loop of wire?